Hello guys, this video will show you kind of a pro Boolean retopology workflow here. And following up with the previous video, how you can really use slice and symmetry and how retopology work very well by keeping things very limited here. So what I mean is that not trying to Boolean the whole object, but Boolean a piece at a time and using symmetry to fill in the gaps. So in order to show what I mean, I'm going to make like a little plug type object. This is also kind of a daily warm-up video. And, let's start with maybe, yeah, we'll go with 32 for now. I'm gonna make a little copy of this. So, at the most basic blockout, we're gonna have some sort of plug object. We're gonna have, this will be the wire, and this will be the plug right here. Alright, let's make it more complex by adding a sphere. Shift A to move that right there. Put that, let's say, right here. All right. Let's also have a little object for creating a little pill extrusions. Like that. Go with symmetry. Press 1, Shift A to move the symmetry right there. And we're going to do let's say radial. All right. Now that we've got that, we can easily modify this. Actually, here's what I'll do. I'll press Shift A, move right there, and now I can just copy and paste this here. If you guys are enjoying this video, be sure to check out the description where I have links to more advanced courses such as on sci-fi design, futuristic vehicles, furniture, and more comprehensive advanced courses. Alright guys, I think I need to go ahead and increase density of these parts here. So I'll go ahead and extract this instance. And all I gotta do, guys, is just turbo smooth that. There we go. I can just delete that afterwards. Alright guys, so I can keep on adding little details here, but let's say I'll say, okay, that's enough. Actually, let's add a little bit more. Let's just add a little bit of these just to show you a little bit more detail being added here. Alright guys, let's say when the position is right here. I'll go ahead and right click on here. I will have it set to pivot and vertex. So I want to move this pivot. Alright, I just gotta move the mouse carefully. Let me move it down first. Alright, to there, to that vertex. Alright, there we go. Alright guys, and also let's add this. So guys, the trick to making this work good is to use, like I showed in the previous video, to actually, let me add this as well, this time as a copy. Alright, we gotta go ahead and only isolate a part of this, and slice comes in handy with that. Since we have 4 objects, let's set it to be 90 or maybe 45. Then we're going to rotate it around where I want it to be, which is right there. Okay, so I only want to go ahead and retopologize this piece right here, nothing else. So I'll pop in a smooth modifier, modify it a bit, and then retopologize. Let's try a lower value, we'll see if it's successful. So we need to go ahead and increase it gradually until we get a good result. Sometimes you just get a bad number, you just gotta go ahead and increase it or decrease it. There we go. Alright, this detail's having a little bit of trouble, but it's not too bad. We can always fix that up a little bit. Alright. Now to fix this up, what I would do, I'll make this my pivot here. Now still just gonna move a little bit here until sometimes guys with the small details it's hard to get a good result. but I would just kind of manually fix it up here and call it a day. Or I can add this detail after the retopology process. All right. All right. Now we can do symmetry. All right. Let's see, got a little bit of an error right here. Let's see what's happening here. All right, so I guess we got a little bit of a strangeness right here. So how would I fix this up, for example? Well, I would delete, select this, and then grow that. Then symmetry, and then use a regularizer on this. And there we go. So you can also fix up some parts here, guys. Alright guys, that's an example of the kind of workflow being put into practice. You can also apply reset as well. Alright, thank you guys for watching and take care.